Good day everyone. I am here to share with you guys a project that I made for ReneaBouquets October swap that's being held on scrapbook.com. It is the October Altered Composition book, and I wanted to show y'all what I came up with. So it's just a regular composition book. I got it at the dollar store for $1. And this is what I ended up creating. So I have lots and lots of gears through here. Let me hold it up. They're actually buttons that I believe I got from Walmart. And it's small gears and large gears, and they even have a heart with gears in it. And then I took some a zipper, and then I cut the paper, which this paper is die cuts with the view. It's time, I believe. And you could see in the paper there they have the needle, and then I did the Tim Holtz stencil with the clock faces here and here and a little bit there. And then around the outside of the picture, I put some gauze down, and then I painted it with black gesso, and then I put some little silver on top of it. But it came out really nice. We have two little flowers here from ReneaBouquets, which are absolutely beautiful. And then this is just a little dangly thing that I put on it. I think I picked it up at Michael's. It's either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So that is the front. And then for the inside, I covered it with cardstock. Kind of try and bring in, I know this isn't the exact green, but some color inside there. And then the same thing for the back. And then on the back side, I covered the whole thing with gauze, and then painted it with black gesso. And then I used some Lindy Stamp Gang sprays on it, and also some Inca Golds, and just a little bit of everything. If y'all could see, there it goes. How it has a little iridescent on it. And then also on the front, it didn't come out quite as well, but it has some pearlescence from Lindy's Stamp Gang on it also. The swap, my swap partner, she doesn't have a YouTube channel, but on scrap.com, her ID is Sroseberry. Her name is Suzanne. And I'm really hoping that she likes this. I do not do a lot of mixed media, but I do enjoy it. So I thought I'd try my hand out at it, and I just really hope that she likes it. I will put a link in the description box below for scrap.com and also for ReneaBouquets. So I just finished packing up everything that I want to send to Suzanne in this October swap for ReneaBouquets and scrapbook.com. So I put together some flowers, and these are from Wild Orchid Crafts. So I wanted to give her something that wasn't easily available. And then we just have a little doily and a little wooden piece. Then these I've had for a little while. I just thought they were cute. So I'm going to go ahead and send them to Suzanne and see if maybe she could come up with them. Because, like I said, they're really, really, really cute. And then I have this little pin clip. And we have a little chipboard piece that says Dream. And then there's some twine underneath there. And then this one also has some little black and white twine, and then another chipboard piece that says Dream that's clipped on. And I thought with this, I had this ribbon. It says Life is Adventure, and it's got a couple of different styles, but they also had all of these little tags. Let me show you guys with it. So I thought that would, in these little stubs, the best is yet to come, someday I will change the world, happy fun time, live happy, live as an adventure. So this all I thought went with these little black photo frames and clips, and of course also it goes with the ribbon. So I stuck all of these in here for her. Alright, and then I have some more pieces of ribbon, and I have each piece with another one of these clips on it to hold it together. And then I have some glittered buttons, but they're sand dollars and seashells and snail shells and starfish. And then behind there, I have some metal leaves. Maybe you could see through there. And then I just have this one with a little piece of ribbon. And then I'm also sending with her this really cute journal. See how pretty the flowers are? So I am getting ready to try and package that up. And I am sending it off to Suzanne. And I hope she receives it well. And I will be talking to y'all again next project. Bye.